And so today, special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this gray baking kit. This is a casserole dish. You can see there, casserole dish. Let's open this up and see what it looks like. So, ooh, nice. Wow, love the look. So nicely wrapped in foam. Don't gotta worry about it being broken. And let's slide this out. That's it for the box. So, inside of this foam is our casserole dish. Cut this. And there we go. So here's your lid. Super nice. I mean, you can hear that nice sound. So everything looks very nice. Love the gray marble look. Nice, nice. And then as we get all this out of here, there's the actual casserole dish. Got good handles on the side, all very solid. Ceramic feel, and it shows that it is dishwasher safe, microwave safe, oven safe, up to 464 degrees. Porcelain. Okay, so that's that feeling, but very nice casserole dish. Love just the look of it personally. Love the marble gray look, and of course top just fits right on to keep it nice and warm. So that'll do it for this casserole dish. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to me to unbox and show you this amazing porcelain casserole dish. And thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.